Okay, okay, okay. Alright, what are we gonna do? Got to get my rocket, which I'm very sad about, but that's fine. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here. We get out of here. We're gonna go get that shark. If anyone wants to come on, and if someone wants to ride it, that's fine. Cause I don't want to ride it. I usually just like to get like started. Fight the shark, but if the shark bites my boat, if the shark's coming towards me, I gotta ride away. But if he gets my boat, I have to get on one of the paths. If the shark's trying to get me on the path and I lose all the paths and it's very far away, then I need this ducky. Look at it. Look at it. Hold on. I'm gonna throw it in the ocean. It's not supposed to do that. Okay. And then the ducky just floats there. So I'm gonna need. I thought if I have the ducky, I would not be able to use it like stuck. I would be not if I used it once. That's every game. That means I can't use it next. When I join a game, I still have my ducky. It costs me a lot too. Hello, sir. You can come on if you want to. You may come on. There is a ladder here. Wishing there wasn't. It's coming towards. I think. I hopefully not. I don't know if I can snipe him, but boom, 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 boom. I cannot make that. Get him! Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Get the shark! Get the shark! Okay, that's not nice. My gosh. Start. Oh no, he's heading towards me. He is heading towards me. Get on the boat! Get on the boat! Ride the boat! Ride the boat! Going from the under! He's going under. He's going under. He's going under. Go! Get in the boat! What are you doing? If this was real life, I would be straight for that boat. I'm out of here, boys. Let's get out. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. We're out of here, boys. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We can shoot the shark now. Ducky, stop freaking out. You're fine. No, duck. You bailed me. Okay. Snipe him. I don't think I can make that. Or if I did, that would be cool. Tender. Okay. Ducky, are you okay? Someone. My duck is okay. Why? Please don't go on my boat. Please do not go on my boat, please. I don't like to share boat. I guess you can come on my boat, but I want you to, but like, literally, like, what? Okay, the shark's right there. He's heading towards me. I'm gonna scream. Okay, got him. I got him a few times. Boom. Get the shark. Get the shark. I can't. I don't know where the shark is now. Okay. Okay, so I don't know where the shark is. Hopefully it doesn't pop out. Okay, I'm gonna drop my ducky in here. And get on my duck. Let me on it. Let me on my duck. Haha. Safe. Safe. Just resting on my ducky. Having a great time. It's that time where I might die. Sir Dragon, why are you looking at me? Why'd you food my ducky? I'm coming for you. Oh my gosh, Ian's here. Ian's here. Beep. Okay. Hey guys! I'm gonna get into my boat. Invite! Did I invite you? Yes, you drive it. Yes, I want you to drive it. If you don't drive it, I will. Okay, because I want to shoot the beautiful Sharky. And I can, if I wanted to, I can kick you off there. But because I really want to get that shark. If I die, then we'll, oh no. Oh my gosh, I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Okay. If you stop moving, I could go on the top, but it's not moving. It's still moving. Let me just jump. Okay, let's get up here. Alright. Do I see a shark? I spy with my little eye a great a shark that's trying to no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, Aiden, please don't leave me. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hurry up, hurry up. Ah! Let me in, let me in, let me on, 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 let me on. Stop moving, stop moving. No, you're gonna, I'm dead. Stop it. Aiden, Aiden, no, Aiden. Oh my, me on. Stop driving. Stop driving. Stop, Aiden. Bro, bro, you left. Get me. Ah. Oh my, did he really flip over the boat? he literally, alright. Fuck that. What are you? What, the chest dropped. The chest dropped. Get it. Good. I don't want the chest anyway. I kind of want it, but... Go get that chest. We're gonna go get that chest. Chest, actually. No, I'm good. Okay. Oh my gosh, the boat flipped over. Dare this boat? How dare you? Oh no! Oh no! 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 Stop it! Stop it! No! 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 Okay. So alive. I don't know where I don't know if he's under the boat or is he down under here or I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't feel safe. I don't feel like this. Hey, sir, help me! Sir, help me! Help me! Help me, please! Person, no! You kidding? No! Ah! Man, help me! Help me! Help me, dude! Nope, you're dead. You're dead, bro. You're dead. Oh, dude, I'm just dead. Stop it! Don't circle me! Stop! No! This is scary! He's camping. He's camping. He's said he's camping. I don't know, but he's trying to get me. Stop it! I got him. I got him. Okay, I think I'm okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Hey, get on my yacht. It's the next round. Okay, alright. My rocket. Hey, hey, you're not allowed on my boat. No, 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 no. Stop it. Oh crap, what did I do? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I'm so stupid. Dude, I'm so stupid. Jump that. Okay, dude, why you go? Stop! Go. Look. Ah. Stop it. Let me stop. Let me. I can't get on. Can't get on. I can't get on. Be on. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Finally. Yeah, it is finally. Okay, going very slow. Yes. Why is that shark? That shark is crazy. Let's get him. Huh? No. Easy. That one was easy, bro. Okay. I'm gonna. You got a ducky. No, you get a ducky. Haha. Okay, now you get a ducky. Haha. And then next is you get a ducky. And then you get a ducky. Okay, I'm gonna go on my ducky. Rocket is OP. Ow. 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 Ah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to stop recording because oh. Whoops. Wrong boat. Wrong boat. Who? Who? Boy. Full speed ahead. Well, I want to thank you for watching. Me and Aaron are gonna go kill that shark. But thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, subscribe, like this video. Oh my gosh! Bye. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, if that's nice, man, like this video or not, I'll see you guys later. Hi.